Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2013 Chevrolet Volt. The cabin air filter is easy to access, as there are designated panels in the back of the glove box for access to the filter. These panels are easy to remove. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are easy to access on this vehicle. You only have to remove one cover to access either set of fuses, allowing you to troubleshoot electrical problems easily. Accessing the engine air filter is also easy, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are also easy to disengage. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the headlight on one side, you will have to move the air filter housing out of the way first. Other models make this access much easier. The battery is tough to access, as it is located in the trunk. You will have to remove a few bolts and a panel for access, which can be tough to complete. In order to access the reverse light on this vehicle, you will need a few tools you may not have readily available for repair. This is also tough because you'll have to crawl under the vehicle to complete. Overall, the 2013 Chevrolet Volt is a moderately difficult car to maintain and is only recommended for someone experienced in car maintenance.